Automation is the pick of the hour in today's world. Let us try to build our own automation project using Arduino. So in this Arduino project and tutorial, you will be able to control various appliances, in this case LEDs, using Bluetooth and Arduino Uno. To make this Arduino project, you would need an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, few LEDs, a Bluetooth HC05 module, and a few jumper wires. So here's the Arduino code for the Arduino project that would enable you to control various LEDs or various appliances using using just your finger or just a touch. So let me just quickly explain the code. So first we include the Bluetooth library. Next we include the RX and TX pins of the Bluetooth to the Arduino. Then we define the LED pins to the Arduino. Next we set up all the pins as outputs. Then we start the serial interface, and then in the main void loop we check if the communication or the serial communication is available or ongoing. Next we read the data which is received from the Bluetooth to the Arduino, and then we print the same value in the serial monitor. So next we program the LEDs to turn on or off when a particular value is received. So I'll just tell you one thing here. So using the app which we're using today for this project, if you give a value which is like capital letter A or capital letter B, then you could turn the appliance on. And if you give the small letter A or small letter B, you could turn the appliance off. So this is the basic logic of this app and the code. So this is a very basic code. So now let's just verify and upload the code to our Arduino. So now as the code has been verified, let us upload our code. So remove the TX and RX pins when you're uploading the code, as you will not be able to upload the code if the RX and TX pins are put on while uploading. So now let us see how this project works. Here's the Arduino project. So after we have successfully uploaded the code and done proper wiring of the project, let us see how this project works. So my Bluetooth is ready at the moment. So now let us give an input and see whether it works. So I just go on to the on and off sequence here. I'll just click on connect and connect to my Bluetooth HC05 module, which is the Bluetooth module. And now I'll just click on the first checkbox, you could say, or the switch, and you'll be able to see that the first LED, which is the green one, would glow. So as soon as I clicked on it, you could see that the green LED is glowing. So now let's just turn that off, and you could see that it stops. So now let us try a different switch. Probably we'll try switch number 3, which is here, and we would also see that the red LED would glow. So now we are able to see that the red LED is glowing. So now I'll just turn it off again, and you'll be able to see that the LED stops. So you could use 20 different LEDs or 20 different appliances using this app, and you'll be able to control them with just a touch of your finger. So thank you for watching. So if you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon to get notified when I upload videos. And thanks for watching.